Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. More and more businesses are making the smart decision to proactively invest in their cybersecurity defenses. This is great news. Although stats show about half of SMBs still have no cybersecurity measures at all. Let's change that. We're on a mission to protect as many businesses around here as we can. There's plenty you can do. Get the basics in place like encryption and multi-factor authentication, where you use a separate device to prove it's you logging in. Give your team a password manager to generate long random passwords and remember them. Use advanced monitoring tools to detect unusual activity. And educate everyone how to spot phishing scams where criminals pretend to be people you trust. It's easy to invest in cybersecurity and protect your business. We're the experts and would be happy to help. Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.